In this video, let's try to set up our DB. We will be using SQL Server. So you just have to type SQL Server Management Studio. The first link which points to Microsoft. So just right click and then open in new tab. On the right side, here it is download SQL Server. Just right click and then again open in new tab. You just scroll down. We will be using Express Edition. So you just go and download now. Along with that, we need this SQL Server Management Studio. You have to download this as well. You have to install SQL Server Management Studio also. You just run the .exe file which you have just downloaded. You have to accept the license and run this .exe file. You will be having the SQL Server Management Studio setup. Thank you for watching. Please provide your feedback which helps me to make better videos. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing it. If you have any question, please drop your questions in the comment section. I try to answer them. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.